this is Uncle Mike 392. I'm out here at Kalidy Kia. I'm sorry. I just left Bob out. Yeah. We're gonna start right here on this 392 Hemi. I love this color on this Hemi, man. It's a nice color. Got a Hellcat right next to it, right there, the black Hellcat. This is a scat pack. Check that out. I'm gonna open the door and let you see the inside of this. It's nice. Let's do the outside and work our way into the inside, shall we? Yeah. Let's get the B. Using already. Roll. It's a Charger. All right, let's see what it look like on the inside. I know you guys know what it look like on the inside. I've made a lot of videos, but let's see. I just want to see my curiosity. Curiosity. Check that out. It's stitching. All right. Here we got a Hellcat right here. Let's look inside of peanut butter. $220 on the dash. Yeah. All right, let's move on. In 2020, it's nice. There you go, Brother B. Wide body. You got a wide body right here. See? He like this. He'll like this one. My friend Brother B, he'll like this one because it got wide body on it. He like these wide body. I do too. See the wide body sticking out like that? I think they sold that Lamborghini they had up there. All right, let's move on. It's SRT. SRT, it's red eye. See that red eye? There you go. It's a wide body too. So we got a regular Hellcat and then we got a red eye Hellcat. Let's go over here and see what we got over here. It's nice Mercedes. Oh, you know. AMG GTS. Good morning, sir. How you doing? Good to see you.
Thank you for being here, supporting us all
Not
the
a problem.
time.
Oh, I
really
love coming in. You know, can I tell you something, sir?
Yeah.
You got the best show. I go 14 different places.
Yeah.
You got the best.
Well, thank you. Thank you so much. We won #1 yesterday.
Good. You deserve it. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. We got the McLaren right here, still here, same spot. That's the boss right there. He owns this place. It's his. How you doing, sir?
Not too bad, how are you?
All right. We got a Tesla over here. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up at 10, then I'm gonna go outside, and then I'm gonna call it a day. And like I said, guys, I'm gonna load up one video a day. I'm gonna be consistently loading up one video. I may have a 3-part, but I'm just gonna load them up one day at a time because I gotta save gas in my car. This gas is going so high, so remember, I'm not getting paid off YouTube yet. I haven't been monetized. Here's some players you guys might know in the NBA. All right. Get these new Kia. They got some new Kias in there. What's up, brother? How you doing?
Good, how yourself, bro?
All right.
All right. You,
YouTuber. No, I'm a YouTuber. I'm doing this for YouTube. Put it on my YouTube channel.
YouTuber.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. I come out here once a week and put all this on my YouTube channel.
Oh, well, let me follow you then.
Uncle Mike 392.
Mike.
There you go. You want to be on my channel, man?
Yeah, man.
My name is Malik, owner operator of Clean Time LLC. We're a commercial cleaning company. I'm out here with Mike, the YouTube guy. Check out these cars with my family out here.
Gotcha.
Talk to you guys soon.
I appreciate you, brother. Thank you.
man.
Yeah, Uncle Mike 392. Yeah, I put up a video every day. Every day I put one up. Yes, sir. Thank you for being on my channel, man, and subscribing. I appreciate you, brother.
Yeah. We gotta plug you up, man. We gotta plug you up.
Oh, yeah, I appreciate that, brother. You know they're having a big car show at the fairgrounds this weekend.
Are they? We might have to go check it out.
Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Cool. Let's do it. Come on, Bubba. Come on. We gotta get this Rolls Royce on the field.
Oh, watch out, bro. Ooh, that little boy fell over there. Here's a Porsche. There you go. I love these new colors on these Kias, man. They come out with some beautiful colors on these Kias. I love them, man. right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up on this one. I'm gonna head outside, and this is Uncle Mike 392, and I'm out late.